In this video, we'll learn about intents. In Android, an intent is a fundamental component that facilitates communication between different components of an application, as well as between different applications. Intents are used to request an action to be performed either within the same app or by other apps, and they can be used for a variety of purposes such as starting activities, launching services, broadcasting messages, and more. There are two main types of intents in Android: explicit intents and implicit intents. In this video, we'll learn about explicit intents. In the next video, we'll learn about implicit intents. Explicit intents are used to start a specific component within your own application, typically by specifying the target component's class name. For example, suppose you have two activities, main activity and second activity. This is the main activity. To create a new activity, we go to the package, new activity, empty views activity. I'll name it as second activity. Click finish. And this is our second activity. This is the layout file that it is associated with the second activity. We can see it in the layout. This is the layout file for the activities second 2. Now, we want to navigate from the main activity to the second activity. To do that, we will create a new function here to second activity, and I'll start with intent. This is the usage of intents and how we use it in Android. Alt plus enter to import the class of intent. You can see it from the content android.content package. Intent, I'm creating a new instance of the intent class. Then I'll start with the new keyword and intent. I'll pass the two parameters. The first one is the current location. The second one is the destination. So this will represent that we are in this class, in the main activity, and I'm going to the second activity dot class. Start activity method, and I'll pass the intent that I created before. Again, guys, I created an instance from intent class. I passed the package context. Later on, we'll talk about context, which is the current location or the current activity, and the destination where we need to go. Now, I'll create a simple button here in the first activity. And now I'll initialize this button here in the onCreate method. Button. Alt plus enter to import the class. btn.set onClick listener, new view onClick listener, and here onClick I'll call this method go to the second activity. And in the second activity, I'll drag and drop a text here, infer the constraints, and increase the size of this text view. I'll go to split mode, text size 32 SP, and I'll change it to welcome to the second activity. Let me run the project. This is our main screen. I'll click on this button, go to second activity, and you can see this is the second activity. So explicit intents are used to start a specific component within your own app. This specific component is the second activity. We use the explicit intents to start the new activity, which is the second activity.